Hey everyone, it's Jackie here, and I'm here to bring you guys another video. And this one is actually one from my complete calendars tutorial. And this person asked this: how do you put your availability out for a certain amount of time into the future? Please share, TY. No problems, Dr. Tracy Thomas. I can definitely help you with this. And how you do this is actually going to be super easy. I take care of all my followers and the commenters that comment on my video because these actually support me so much as a small content creator that's just starting out. If you just do comments, even a like and a sub, it actually goes a long way for me. Back to the main point of answering Dr. Tracy's question is we want to go into GohighLevel and we're already in calendars. Now make sure you're in the sub accounts for this. Simply just click calendar settings. Click a calendar that you want. Make sure that you click these three dots on the side and then click edit. Once you've clicked edit, you go availability, and this is where you can change the times. So you can change how long you want a service duration to be for. This is actually quite new that they added a buffer time where you can put before and after your meetings. Let's say you have a meeting from 1 to 1:30 and you want to put a buffer time. Let's say if there's 15 minutes, you can have that as a buffer time after, so that people can't book straight after 1:30. They have to book at 1:45 slot, so 15 minutes later. Then you can put a minimum scheduling notice. And let's say you don't want people booking in, whether it's hours, days, or weeks. And instead, let's say, okay, I want them to at least book in 2 days in advance. I don't want no surprises. You can also do that. And this is where you put the date range to answer Dr. Tracy's question. This is where you can put, I want to put in 3 weeks in advance, people can book in for my calendar. No further than that, but they can see everything up to 3 weeks in advance. And in summary, that's how you do it. Now, if you want a more complete tutorial, I do have another video that's already made. That's a complete tutorial on GohighLevel's calendars. Now, either if you're just starting out or if you've been using GohighLevel for a while, but you're not yet making money, there's no reason you shouldn't, because GohighLevel is such a comprehensive and amazing tool that there's none other like it on the market right now. I have some friends that I know online that's been doing 10K a month since using GohighLevel. I had this guy that I met just a few weeks ago that he managed to sign his client in the first 2 days. That's crazy. So if you want actually help with that, click on the link down below, because I actually give away a lot of my free resources to anyone that wants to actually start making money online. I'm not going to be the gurus out there that's trying to sell you a course. No, this is all going to be for free. Just need to click on the link down in the descriptions below and it'll take you to where you need. I hope this has helped you. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. God bless.